So here's in continuation to the previous videos about how important it is to understand the question before you actually start writing them, because your basic understanding of the question is going to make or break your essay. All right, so let's get going. And in today's video, again, I'm going to try to keep it very short. We are just going to look at 3 problem solution questions. Okay, so here's the first question. Now, this question, the problem solution question, as I said in an earlier video also, can be really a very easy one. However, the question itself can be tricky because the prompt keeps changing. Okay, so let's look at how to actually read this question and how to actually understand it. Okay, let's read this question. Now, the topic says a raise in the standard of living in a country often only seems to benefit cities rather than rural areas. So, my topic says that whenever there is a raise in the standard of living in a country, it is often seen that mostly cities benefit more than the rural areas. Fine. Now, here are my questions, and this is exactly where you can go wrong. My first question: what problems might this difference cause? And second question, how can these problems be reduced? Fine. So over here, my first question is asking what are the problems of this situation? And the second one is asking for solutions, right? So they are asking, my first question is asking for problems. What problems can be caused because of this? And the second one is asking to give solutions for the problems. Okay, so let's look at the second one. Okay, similar comes under the problem solution question, but over here, let's read what my topic is saying. So the topic says, car drivers and cyclists share the same road, and this causes problems for both of them. Okay, so the topic says that car drivers and cyclists, both of them are sharing the same road, which can cause problems for both of them. And what are my questions saying? Why is this the case? And what are the measures to solve these problems? So, what are my questions saying? See, the question has changed a little now. Over here, they are asking you why. So, what are they asking you? They are asking you the reason. Okay, what are the reasons behind this? And then they're asking you what are the measures to solve this problem. So they are also asking you for solutions. Okay, in this case, what would we do? My first body paragraph will talk about the reasons, and my second body paragraph will talk about the solutions. Unlike the earlier one was asking for problems and solutions. In that case, it would have been body para 1 would be problems and body para 2 would be solutions, right? So this is how it's the same question, comes from the same category, problem solution question, yet it is quite different, right? And this is exactly what we saw in one of the videos that I made earlier, that wherein I think the solutions had been asked and the person wrote everything, reasons, and did not give any solutions at all, right? Let's move to the third question. Okay. As social media continues to develop, more and more youngsters have unsupervised access to all the content available over the internet, which can lead to some potentially dangerous situations. This is the topic. And what is my question saying? My question is asking for what solutions can you suggest to deal with this problem? This is the same question that we had seen earlier in one of the videos. And in this question, what is being asked? Only the solutions. They are only asking you for solutions. They have not asked you for problems. They have not asked you for reasons. Nothing at all, only for solutions. Right? So, in this case, my body para 1 will have solutions, and again my body para 2 will also have solutions. Okay, now you can write one solution in each body paragraph, that is okay. All right, so this is how the changes occur within one kind of a question. So guys, be very, very careful, okay, when you're reading the questions, especially the problem solution questions, okay, and then just move ahead. Fine. So just keep calm and read carefully, okay. So bye bye for now. God bless you.